Hello, this gorgeous 2003 Ford has only 39,000 actual miles. It has the very desirable feature of tall side doors, which creates super entry clearance. Plus, it also has a very nice style of lift and much more. Let's take a look. Thank you for watching. Please call me at 541-973-7377 with any questions.